Hello everyone. Now we talk about percent increase or decrease, which we call that as a percent change. If we want to find out how much percent increase or how much percent decrease, we can find the amount of increase or decrease divided by original amount multiplied by 100. Then we find the percent increase or percent decrease. Let's do some example problem here. In 1981, there were 25 endangered and threatened species of reptile in the US. In 2001, there were 36 species. By what percent did the number of these reptile species change from 1981 to 2001? There were 25 in 1981, and it changed to 36 species in 2001. So we need to find the percent increase since it increased from 25 to 36. How much increase from 25 to 36? Then 36 minus 25 out of original amount, which is a 25. Multiply by 100, then we can find out how much increase as a percent. Then 36 minus 25 will be 11 out of 25. Multiply by 100 will give you 44. That's a 44% increase. That's how we can conclude it's a percent increase. And another example problem in SAT. The number of coins in a collection increased from 9 to 90. What was the percent increase in the number of coins in this collection? So original amount of coin start from 9 and increased to 90. Then also we need to find how much increase. So 90 minus 9 out of original amount as a 9, you multiply by 100. Then we can find out 81 over 9 multiplied by 100 gives you 9 times 100 equal to 900%. So 9 to 90, what was the percent increase? We can conclude 900% increased.